Dear student, we know English is an international language. It is not our mother tongue. It is a foreign language. We have no good knowledge in English. This is foreign language. We have to know some rules to know the meaning of the sentence or to know the meaning of this language. Dear student, first of all, if we want to enrich of our vocabulary in English, we have to get helping of others books. First of all, already I have written using a dictionary. You know, dictionary is a storehouse of knowledge. Dictionary helps you, gives you, shows you the meaning of unknown word. Dear student, do you use a dictionary? Do you use a dictionary? Dear student, why and how often do you use a dictionary? And then another question, how can a dictionary help you or help us or help me? Dear student, yes, I often use a dictionary. As a student, I want to enrich the vocabulary of English. So, I must use dictionary. Why and how often do you use a dictionary? Question 2. When I find an unknown word, I use it. When I find an unknown word, I use it on dictionary. I start to search it out in the dictionary. I start to search it out in the dictionary. According to the sequence of the letters of the words. Dear student, how can a dictionary help you? A dictionary can help us by providing proper meanings, synonymous, antonymous, parts of piece of words. Dear student, a dictionary, already we have known, a dictionary is a storehouse of knowledge. Dear student, a dictionary is a collection of words. It tells us spelling, banan, pronunciation, uchcharan, meaning, ortho, parts of piece of words, শব্দগুলোর পদ প্রকরণ সম্পর্কে. My dear student, we can easily understand that if we want to speak in English or others language, you have to know the others dictionary, language dictionary. English is the second language in our country. English is second language in our country. It is not our mother tongue. It is a foreign language. So it is harder than our Bangla. We can speak in Bangla easily, but we are unable to speak in English. But why? If you want to speak in English, you have to enrich the vocabulary of English. And then you have to practice more and more time. If you practice, you can. If you practice, you can. If you want to know the meaning of the others language, you have to know dictionary. Dear student, a dictionary not only gives you the meaning of the word but also gives you various parts of its meanings. Dear student, if you open dictionary, you can see same word. Dear student, for example, water. End of the sentence N, water, end of the sentence B. My dear student, dictionary shows the characters of words, what kind of parts of it. Sometimes use noun, sometimes use verb. Dear student, as a good student, you have to collect a dictionary. A dictionary is help you. Dear student, as a good student, you have to read a dictionary perfectly, nicely at home. In this COVID period, you have huge time. You should develop of your knowledge in English. So you have to know the unknown words knowledge by using a dictionary. Dear student, thank you very much.